Do you have an OverView camera that looks like this? And do you want to plug it into a Dakota Micro monitor with connections like this? Without cutting up wires and using electrical tape, here's the easy way to do it. The DMAC-OVC adapter cable from Dakota Micro. It's simple, practically a miracle. You just plug one end into the OverView camera and the other end into the monitor harness. If you have a newer Dakota Micro branded monitor and an OverView camera or similar brand, this cable is just for you. This adapter cable has a GX12 4-socket male connector on one side and a Switchcraft EN3 5-socket male on the other. Our new Dakota Micro monitors accept CVBS and AHD signal. Plus they also accept NTSC or PAL format. So you're in great hands when you're trying to connect an OverView camera to it. If you have a competitor's camera with this fairly standard 4-pin connector, it should work with a Dakota Micro monitor. Visit our monitor input guide on our website to see all of our adapter cables and more. We even have a whole page dedicated to them because we're that confident that we have the right cable just for you. All these cables are built to last, and they're tougher than a $2 steak and made right here in the USA because we believe in building things right the first time.